Yo, yo. All right, y'all. Just have to make sure that the audio was working. Man, look, y'all. I just want to say I appreciate y'all for 23 subscribers on the channel. I started the channel about 2 weeks ago. You know what I'm saying? If you haven't plugged in with the last couple videos that I dropped, make sure you do so. Very important information. The first one, I just talk about a couple things. I talk about four main things that you need in trading, which is patience, risk management, risk to reward, and forgot the last one. But yeah, very important, topics and not topics, very important tips that I gave on this first video. Second video, I did a GPUSD trading breakdown, how I turned $10 into $80 overnight. Make sure y'all go plug in with that. And also, this trading strategy transformed my approach. Learn how to understand the markets. All right, so pretty much with that, I actually did this video yesterday, but throughout the whole video, this video in the background was playing, so it messed up the audio. I appreciate y'all for 18.5 thousand subscribers on my other channel, man, my clothing brand channel. So if you want to start a clothing brand, go plug in with this channel also. But look, man, today in this video, I'll be talking about what is a trend. All right, so we're gonna come over here to this diagram. Like I said, I did this yesterday. So we just, I'm not gonna overly complicate this. We just gonna use what I used yesterday. All right. So what is a trend? To me, a trend is a continuation of structure in the market. All right. Now there's two type of trends in my opinion. Some people say it's three. Me personally, I don't think consolidation is a trend. This is what consolidation looks like, right? When the market goes up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. It doesn't have any form of continuation. This is not a continuation. It's staying stagnant, staying in the same area. All right. Now, back to what I was saying. In my opinion, I feel like there's two types of trends in this market: uptrend and downtrend. Now, as y'all can see here, y'all see how this is going up. It comes down, goes up. It breaks this high, but it respects this low. Goes up again, comes down, respects this low, shoots up, break this high, comes down. There's sometimes in the market where it will break a low, but it will respect the second to last low, and it will continue up. All right, that is a formation that I like to look in the market. I don't believe in trading patterns. However, this is a sign of taking liquidity and moving up to the upside. All right. Now, as y'all can see here, it shot up, broke this last high, came down. This is still an uptrend, by the way. But when it shot up here and it failed to break this high and it broke this low, now we're on a downtrend. All right. Now, as y'all can see, boom, shot up, shot down, shot up, respected this high, shot down, broke this low, shot up, respected this high right here, shot down, broke this low, shot up, broke this high, but respected this high, shot it down again. All right, so this is basically showing y'all an uptrend right here, then a downtrend right here, and then as y'all said, consolidation over here. Now for consolidation, we do not trade consolidation. Consolidation does nothing for us. I'm not in no trades currently. My trading week usually starts on Tuesday morning, I'm sorry. And today is Monday, Monday morning. It is 8:22 a.m. So I'm not really looking to get into any trades. I have been peeping some, but nothing is close to entry. You know what I'm saying? So we just waiting right now. And like I said in that video, patience is key. Because I could be in the market right now trying to force something, trying to trade consolidation. Whole time I don't see any trends in the market, and that's why I'm not involved. All right. So with that being said, I will be showing y'all some live examples of some trades that I took last week. That I took a sell on GPUSD, so that will be the downtrend that I'm showing y'all, and then I took a buy on GPUSD, which is gonna be the uptrend that I showed y'all. And actually, in this video, this video right here, I showed the uptrend and how I turned $10 into 80 overnight. So once again, tap in with this video. I actually took this trade on Friday. It activated on Friday. I realized that it was open by Saturday, Sunday, and then by Monday morning, I got taken out when I woke up. I was up like 80 something dollars. You know what I'm saying? 1 to 8. And then this is the trade GPNZD trade that I'm telling y'all about. Um, it dipped for way more than I expected. Not even gonna lie, it dipped for way more. But yeah, man. When the reason why I made this video is because a trend is your best friend. All right. If you either been trading for a little while or familiar with the space, people always say the trend is your friend. And this is exactly why right here, right? Because y'all see how this is an uptrend, and basically I'm riding this trend up. I'm riding market structure up. This is making it simple for me to get into the trade and not worry about it reversing because I clearly see it's in the uptrend, right? So with that being said, I would have got in right here, went up, came down, went up, came down again, boom, TP hit. All right, 1 to 7 hit. And then it shot down. When I seen this and how weak it was getting, I would have been like, you know what, let's get in for a sell. Boom, I got in for a sell right here. 7 pip stop loss, and then I just rolled it down. TP hit. And when you get more advanced, you'll understand that this right here is another entry. But we're not talking about that right now. Like I said, this is just beginner stages. I still have a lot of videos that I need to post for y'all. This is one of the biggest ones, honestly. Like, you cannot understand trading your edge. That was the last one. You may not have a trading edge, but as long as you follow a trend, as long as you have a good risk to reward and you're following trend, you necessarily don't have to know like institutional candles and fib retracements and stuff like that. You can really just use the trend and market structure and you'll be all right. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, there's a lot of more videos that I do need to post and upload for y'all. I'm gonna do a playlist, so y'all make sure y'all tap in with that. It's gonna be a little step by step. What is a trend? What is a stop loss? How is the stop loss your best friend? Also, what is your risk to reward, and what does it do for you? Things of that sort, right? So, like I said, we finna look at GPUSD. Let's see. Let's replay this to like right here. All right, so boom. All right, so GPUSD, right? So there's always a trend within the trend. So let's say that this is a 4-hour trend, right? Let's say that this is a 4-hour uptrend. Within the 1 hour, you're gonna see something like this. Let's make this white. So within the 1 hour, you're gonna see something like this, where there's a trend within the trend. So on and so forth. Let's just finish this off right here. So boom, right? So the red is a 4-hour trend, and then the white is a 1-hour trend. And like I said, there's always a trend within the trend. So with that being said, as I'm going down, shooting down, GPUSD is on a downtrend on the higher time frame. However, like I said, I got into this trade on Friday, and what I seen here was the market shot down. All right, y'all see this red right here. Pay attention to red. Like I said, white is the 4-hour, red is the 1-hour. So boom, shot down, shot up, shot down, shot up, broke this last high right here. It shot down and then it shot up again, breaking this high and then this last high, confirming that this is a break of structure. So from right here, boom, let's make this black. And then from right here, we're gonna do BOS, right? Break of structure. So when I seen this, I'm like, okay, number one, this was low-key a liquidity grab, but also there's imbalances up here. As y'all can see, there's no type of selling pressure. I mean, there is over here, but I like to see selling pressure in a way that if this was going to continue down, as y'all can clearly see by my annotations over here, it most likely was going to respect this last down candle. And like I said, this is more advanced. This is an institutional candle in a sense. So this was like my target area that I was looking to hit, basically your TP. All right. So with that being said, like I said, in this example over here, sometimes the market is going to do this, where it shoots up, shoots down, shoots up again. It breaks this high, breaks this low, as y'all can clearly see here. Breaks this low, which this is low key like liquidity right here. Liquidity is basically money. So wherever people have their stop losses, sell stops, things of that sort. All right, sell stops, buy limits, things of that sort. So yeah, there's liquidity right here. So boom, it took these people money, but respected this low and kept on going up. Yeah, same thing I see over here on GPUSD. So with that being said, when I seen that, I'm like, okay, boom, right? This could possibly be an entry. And what did I do? Got in right here. So as y'all can see, go down to the 30-minute. This was a strong push down that I didn't even see the trade until like 2 days later of me putting it in. So by the time that I look at my MT4, I was already in profit. I didn't even see this push down like this. If anything, I ain't gonna lie, I probably wouldn't have got in for a second entry, but that would have been a good risk to reward if I was to get another entry right there. But as y'all can see, you know what I'm saying, market started rejecting at that point. I think it was like, I didn't see this, but I think it was like around this point right here where I looked at the market, and then when market opened, I think this is when this big, huge candle happened. You know what I'm saying? It came to come clean that up a little bit, and then it just kept going up. And this is what a buy trend. This is what a buy trend. This is what a buy looked like on a trend. Like once again, it shot up, shot down, shot up again, breaking these two right here. Shot down, respected it, and as y'all can see, in the next couple candles, TP was hit right here. And then market started shooting down a little bit. Let's see if it actually hits this green line that I have right here. Looks like, yeah, it's rejecting now. It's gonna go down. Let's see. Yeah, I think it started shooting down at this point. Yeah, there it is. Okay, boom. So it started shooting down at that point. But yeah, as y'all can see, riding the trend up, buy trend. Once again, there's always a trend within a trend. So like I said, I obviously know that this is a downtrend on a higher time frame, but on the 1 hour, I seen the confirmation, and I seen that it was starting to make a trend a little bit, and I took that first trend up. Well, really the second, because like I said, this was the first trend. Well, no. This was the first trend, and then it broke that, and then it kept going. All right, now let me show y'all the sell on GBP NZD. Okay, boom. All right. So now when you're all right. So boom, right? There's something called top-down analysis. If you haven't paid attention to my last video, I might make another video just explaining top-down analysis and what you need to focus on. But as y'all can see, man, on a 4 hour, on a higher time frame, this is obviously in a downtrend. Like y'all see, this obviously going down. This is a trade that I missed. My entry was right here, a little bit above that. Hold on. Yeah, my entry was right up here, so I missed it by a couple pips. But as y'all can see, it kept on going down, right? So when I got down to this point, pay attention to red. Shot down, shot up, shot down, shot up here, shot down, breaking this structure down here once again. And then when it shot up, it respected this area right here. This is an institutional candle. Now y'all will learn about institutional candles as y'all follow along with the journey and follow along with the channel. So with that being said, once I seen the institutional candle, I'm like, okay, boom. Let me use this as an entry. We're gonna ride this down, right? So y'all know me. I do 1 to 7s all the time. So my 1 to 7 was like right here. But like I said, higher time frame, it was on the downtrend, so it kept on going down, and it was actually a 1 to 15, 1 to 16. All right, so if you don't know what a 1 to 16 is, just know that you would have made a lot of money. A lot of money. Just imagine risking $1 to make $16. All right, so let's do 50. All right, 50 times 16. So let's say you risk $50. You would have made this much. $50 that you risk, you would have made 8,000. All right, that's just a simple 1 to 6 example. Let's say you risk $100 times 16. You made 1,600. I think I did this wrong. I think it was 800. Yeah, I think it is 800. So $50 so you're risking $50 to make 800, and you're risking $100 to make 1,600. I think I got the numbers wrong, because usually I use lot size and stuff like that. But I'm just showing y'all an example so people can understand what I'm talking about. But yeah, man, that's basically what a trend is. I show y'all downtrend. I show y'all uptrend. I show y'all the graph. You know what I'm saying? If y'all want to take a screenshot of this, keep it in your phone. Don't trade consolidation. That is useless. You're going to be confused and lost. You're probably going to lose in an uptrend. You know what I'm saying? Switch to the downtrend. But yeah, man, the trend is your friend. Make sure y'all pay attention to the trends, man. I appreciate y'all. Y'all stay plugged in with the channel. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, man. Y'all traders, I keep attacking these markets, and everybody else, man, y'all stay safe out here. DHS is out.